Recently, I've decided to make a little bit of more videos around the dropshipping, and that is why I'm going to be reviewing this kind of topic, which is called how to dropship branded products. So in case you're new to dropshipping and you want to learn how you can dropship your branded product, then this video is going to put you through on how you can go about this. Hello friend, my name is Maverick. I'm going to be your reviewer for today and also your tutor. Now, talking about dropshipping business, it's a type of business whereby you sell products online without you needing to hold an inventory of your products. This is just a way whereby you have a warehouse where your products are being stored, or possibly you get an order and you immediately purchase from a supplier and you send it straight to your customer. And here we're talking about branded products, which can also be, your brand name being imprinted on your products. So maybe possibly you're in the tech niche whereby you're dropshipping power banks and you have your brand name imprinted on the power bank rather than your manufacturer's name. Now going further in this review and tutorial, let's discuss about the requirements to dropship branded products. The first one is having a clear goal of what to sell. A lot of people do not have a clear goal, and that is what makes them fail when it comes to dropshipping branded products. You need to have a clear goal for you to succeed when it comes to this aspect. The second thing is having a good fulfillment service or agency. You need to have a good fulfillment service because what you need to know is that branding your product and imprinting your logo or brand name to your product is another extra service. So if they go ahead to imprint your brand name in your product, it's gonna take a little bit of time. So you need to have a good fulfillment service that works more faster and delivers quickly. You don't want to go for a fulfillment service or agency that it's going to take a little bit of time before they even imprint your brand name to your product and send straight to your customer. Another thing is dropshipping from AliExpress and having an agency that helps with adding brand identity is a good idea. I recommend Shopify because they're a good solution in this aspect and you can contact their support for days. Oh yes. So when you dropship from AliExpress and you have an agency that helps with adding the brand identity, it's a very good one because Shopify can help you with the delivery from your manufacturer in AliExpress straight to Shopify, and they help with your brand identity. Another thing is the product must be fast approved and selling products because of customers' urgent need. I will even advise you sell products that customers don't need urgently. Oh yes, because sometimes anything shit can happen whereby the products are not being delivered earlier as you expected. But if it's a product that most customers don't need urgently, then possibly you can still be able to scale through in case when the products are not being delivered earlier. Now, several people talk about selling phone accessories and branding it. It's a good one though, but how about the urgent need for the customers? Yes, because phone accessories are something that mostly needed urgently by customers. So in this aspect, you have to be very careful. I saw this online, that is why I'm talking about it. Phone accessories, phone accessories. Most of the time, customers don't need it urgently. Now, there are several other requirements that you can research online, but those are the ones that are very important for you to take note of. Talking about things to keep in mind when dropshipping. Now, the first thing you have to keep in mind is your ads budget. Oh yes, if you want to dropship your branded product, you need to have in mind your ads budget. A good ads budget is going to help you out to scale through faster, get a lot of traffic to your store, and quickly start making sales immediately. It doesn't mean that relying on organic is also bad, because if you use platforms like TikTok, you create consistent video content, you can use it to boom and you can get thousands of views daily on your content, which can bring hundreds to thousands of customers to your store daily. So this is how it happens when it comes to you trying as much as possible to bring customers to your store. I would always suggest that you look into the marketplace that you are going into before you go into dropshipping, especially the tech niche, which can be a problem. Make sure to look into the market, make your research before you decide to buy or invest in any product type in dropshipping. You also want to look out for your competitors to know what they are doing exactly, looking at the writing they are doing and using it as a benchmark towards your own decision. A lot of people don't look at their competition from the start. It's a good way to move forward for real, because that way you are able to know what is working before you understand the marketplace entirely. It's very important you look at competitors, although don't see them as an enemy. Model whatever they're doing, replicate it for yours, and you can use that to succeed. So that is it about how you can dropship branded products. However, if you are new to dropshipping, you can try as much as possible to follow through everything we've said in today's video tutorial. And also, if you're new to dropshipping and you're looking for best products to sell, instead of you just guessing products straight from your head, I would always suggest a platform like Ecom Profit Hub. Oh yes, a platform like Ecom Profit Hubs help you to get your hands on winning products. Now remember, this is just me recommending this to you. I'm not forcing you to go ahead to possibly use them but it's just a recommendation. Ecom Profit Hub is where you can go to, get products, winning products. And the thing about those guys is that they upload products hourly, which have been researched from top brands out there that have good data when it comes to drop shipping. So Ecom Profit Hub is a good one for you to go with. And in case you want to try them out, you can click the link in the video description or check the screen. You're gonna see a link there. You can copy paste it in your browser and you can exit to this page where you can sign up for free. They have a free trial, okay, which you can use it to test out their service. I think 7 days free trial that you can use to test out their service and know if it's worth your time and investment. Okay, so this is me telling you, in case you do not have a way to get best products to sell, you can come here to get the best product. Okay, so that is what I have for you in today's video. If you have any idea about dropshipping branded products, you can let us know in the comment box. It's gonna help a whole lot of people out there and some viewers also to learn more and know exactly the right thing and the wrong thing to do. All right, if you also have an idea of researching best products to sell, you can also let us know. It can help a lot of people also right here to make the best decision. Thank you very much for your time. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, kindly make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos right there on tutorials on this channel. Make sure you don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you very much. Hit the thumbs up button also so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there. And I wish you the best of luck in your dropshipping journey. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.